Guys, in this video, we will be learning Python NumPy from records method. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on the machine. So what is from record method? We can create the record array by using the list of individual record. What does that mean? When you use from records, so this function actually returns you the different type of object, that is record array, and record array can be generated with help of list of individual record as we do in Python list. Okay, in order to use from records we have to install numpy on our machine. If you have not yet installed numpy library on the machine, you have to type in command pip install numpy. Okay, you have to go to your console or your terminal, you have to open, then you have to type in command pip install numpy, right? In order to check whether numpy is installed on our machine or not, you have to type another command, that is pip list. Okay, let me show you, that is pip list. If you want to check any of the Python library, so as soon as you type in this command, so you will get a list of library which are installed on your computer, right? So you see numpy is already there. There is other option, you can check Python packages. You click on this option. Either you can see all libraries through command prompt or terminal or from here, right? So you will get all the packages list, right? Since numpy is installed on our machine, we don't need to install it, right? We can easily import it. Import alias numpy. So we wanted to use from record, right? So we will be using np.core.records.fromrecords. This is the method, right? So you will see it is returning as the np.rec array, right? That is record array. Record array consisting of given rack list rows, right? Rows in terms of spreadsheet, right? Row and column. Okay. So you will be using this function. Okay. It will return something to us, that array1, and it will accept some parameters. Either you can pass on iterable rack list or you can define your list. Okay, that would be your list, and here we can pass on the item in tuple, right? So if I say tuple1, that is id, okay, that is name, and that is age, that is my tuple1. Okay, and I can take tuple2, and then I can use this tuple here. Okay, t1, t2. Okay, so you'll be getting my code array. If you check the type of this array which is returning, you can easily check the help of type. Okay, let me run the program. So you are getting your two record array, right, in form of tuple 1 and second, right? Or you have a different way. Either you can do this way or you can do this way. Control, and then either you can do this way. Okay, these are the same thing. Array 2. Okay, if you're in the program, you will get the same output. Okay, right? This is first thing. Okay, I have another parameter in this method which can be passed, let's say names. So if you want to specify the name of the column, so you can say id, and then you can say name, and then age. So actually this will be converted into the rows and columns, and the columns name would be defining with names, right? Name argument. Okay, if I'm okay, so if I'm printing array2 dot id, right? So this id would be returning to me. Okay, you see, The ID column is returning to me 1 and then 2. Okay. If you print the name and then age, right? So you will get the all three things, right? All three columns you will get in form of array. Okay, right? If you want to check the type of this thing, what is this type of property? So you will get to know this is a type of ND array. Got it? Because we are getting all elements in form of ND array, right? Through one column, right? I have another way to create record array object. Array 1 I am going to take, that would be 1 or 2, right? Array 2, that would be, right? Or you can even say np.arrays, right? Here you have defined one array and you can say dot array, right? So a1 and a2 we can define in this form. If you say a1 or you say a2, right? Get record 3, so you will get record 3, record 3, the output, that is recarray, and then you are getting the output. If you want to print individual array from this rec array 3 or 1 or 2, so you can point it out like this. Okay, 0 1 2, you can pass on the indexing also, so you will get 1 3. Similarly, if you pass on 1, so it will give you the second record item. Okay, 2 4. Okay, so this is how it works. In the same way, if you see here and then say 0, so you will get the first record array. Okay, you are getting, this is the record. Okay, this is the first record you are getting like this. You want to get the product of the same array which you have passed like this, so you can multiply like 2, so array 3 print, you will see the differences, right? You see, array 3 I have made the product, like I have multiplied these records with 2, so you will get 4 record array. Okay, you can do what you want, right? Instead of 2 array, you just pass single and you multiply the single array in the multiple products, right? The same product will be creating. Okay, you have other arguments in this method. You can use shape, you can use dtype, formats, right? Name we have used, title you can try, aligned, byte order. So try these arguments yourself and see what advantage you get through these arguments. Okay, that brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.